गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हचं यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा।
ओला व सुका कचरा वेगळा करून न देणाऱ्या नागरिकांकडून 1000 रुपयांचा दंड वसूल करण्याचा ठराव कुठ्ठाळी ग्रामसभेने संमत केलाय। तसंच मोबाईल टॉवरबाबत माहिती जाणून घेण्यासाठी या क्षेत्रातील तज्ज्ञांना पाचारण करण्याचा निर्णय या सभेत झाला। या व्यतिरिक्त पंचायत क्षेत्रातील जे बेकायदेशीर हातगाडे, पान तंबाखू दुकाने, मटकासारख्या प्रकारांना बंद करण्याचा ठरावही ग्रामसभेत घेण्यात आला। याचाच आढावा घेतलाय आमचे प्रतिनिधी श्याम सूर्या नाईक यांनी।
I think the presentation now, what was given to us, was very theoretical. Now it is for each one of us to identify the locality. First of all, identify the locality, check on the species of the specimen, and then see what is the condition in which these are existing and how we can improve and protect it. That is I think that is the goal of the presentation. Now this can happen in the panchayat, decide. You have to have, as Mr. Thomas said, you have to have a long session where you will identify the locality, the various species, and then visit the locality, visit the sites, see the condition of the existing species, and decide how to improve them. And for that, you also have to be aware of what is the utility, the use of these species. There can be varying uses. Medicinal. I think in the olden days, most of the medicines were derived from these species. So therefore, this identification has been done.
See, आजपासून हांव एवरी टाइम सांगता, वी हॅव डन अनाउन्समेंट्स ऑल्सो, आणि हांव लोकांकडे हात जोडून मागले, यू ऑल सेग्रिगेट एट सोर्स. सी, गार्बेज पंचायती घरासून कॉमेस जायना, गार्बेज आमच्या जोड एकल्याच्या घरांसून जाता. हांव जर तो सेग्रिगेट करून दिलो तेन्नाच एज अ पंचायत वी वूड बी एबल टू डिस्पोज द गार्बेज सिस्टमॅटिकली. आणि आयज देखून आय एम रिक्वेस्टिंग ईच वन, बिकॉज आयज आमच्या ग्रामसभांनी रेझोल्युशन घेतला, दोज हू आर नॉट सेग्रिगेटिंग विल बी फाईन ₹1000. सो हांव मागता, आमचो लोक, कॉमन लोक इतले आमकांय नाका, तांकां 1000 फायन दिवन दूख दिलोले. बट आय रिक्वेस्ट सेग्रिगेट करे, कॉपरेट विथ द गार्बेज. वेन इफ द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर, इफ देर इज एनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान गार्बेज कलेक्शनाक गेलें, कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा, यू विल कम एंड टेल अस. I will bring them to the task. It is my this. पण जरी तर तुम्ही गार्बेज जर तर सेग्रिगेट करून आमकां हेल्प कोनाय, what do you all expect from us also? आमी बी मनीसू न्हू, गार्बेज कलेक्ट कोताय तेय मनीसूच न्हू. आमचे कितले गार्बेज ते आपणा हातीन, आय हॅव सीन मुकोडे फुटेजीस आहाय, ते आपणा हातीन पॅम्पर्स ते सेपरेट कोताय आनी कितें कोताय. वी हॅव टू ऑल्सो हॅव कॉमन सेन्स. आणि आमी एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन, आय नो आमचे कोर्टालिंकार सगळे एड्युकेटेड अँड वेल, म्हणजे रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन. आय रिक्वेस्ट वन्स अगेन, प्लीज सेग्रिगेट एट सोर्स. तुमचे सगळे सिस्टमॅटिकली जर सेग्रिगेट केले, वी विल ऑल्सो बी एबल टू सिस्टमॅटिकली डिस्पोज द वेस्ट. Last time because I had said that there will be this, but one we have, according to the market policy, we have a definite committee which is being defined by the market policy, which is authorized by the government. According to the committee, we have to go ahead with the policy, because policies are rules and regulations which have been given with the law weightage. So they said we will go with the auction process according to the rules and regulations. But at the same time, what we had done is on the advertisement and everything, each and every point from the market policy was covered up, and it was published on the notice. It was announced in the churches.
But you will take Gram Sabha again on this issue?
Yes, definitely. Because now since they say they want, we are going to take it. Because even our MLA said we will have it. Because MLA is also one of the member of the market committee.
Any resolutions, specific resolutions?
To write to the DBL regarding the आमचे एक ग्राम सभा member and valid point आला, because the Kudka Thanki being it is at risk. So we are going to have a joint inspection with DBL. That also resolution we have taken. Another main resolution is because of the garbage. जे कोण mix दिताय तांकां to also find the contractor if he doesn't abide to the rules and regulations.
एक मेन इशूआचेर एक हॉट डिस्कशन जाल्लें हांगसर ग्रामसभेक, हेजेर रस्ते हाडल्या पळय, हो रस्तो केबलिंगाचो, ते प्रॉपर तेणी मेंटेन करून स्टोन घालून सारकें हें करून तेजेर कितें हें जालें.
Yeah, see, they, even I'm following up, and they are saying their work is not done. Wherever they can do without फोंडून काम करपा जाता न्हू तितले कडेन ते कोत्ताय. जिंगा फोडपाची पॉसिबिलिटीज नाय आनी उदका पायपलायन्स बीन आहाय न्हू थिंगा दे हॅव टू यूज द मशिनरी or something like that. They are the technical people, they know better than me. But definitely एक पाटी काम काबार जालें म्हणटरी they have to restore our roads back as it was, and we are going to be very strict with it, and we are going to also make a letter to the department.
कितलो टायम लिमीट दिला तांकां तुमी केबलिंग करपाक.
See, this contract is not given by us, it is given by the electricity department, so you have to confirm. Everybody knows that now Panchayat don't have any rights and PWD is the nodal officer. So I have directed them, see, whatever but we as a Panchayat could do, we have done all the correspondence with the owner of the building, with the PWD authorities. Now I've told them, you all approach directly to the PWD authority along with us, we are always there to help you all.
Are you all against mobile towers?
See, you cannot say we are against mobile towers because nowadays it has become the need. It's a necessity. And आमची भुरग्यांक आतां रेंज मेळना कितें मेळना. But at the same time, we have to see how we can adjust with the health hazards also.
The Panchayat Raj Act very simply says that anything that is in the jurisdiction of the Panchayat belonging to the Panchayat as the onus of answering to the Gram Sabha. However, policies that have been set for the operation of the market, for the maintenance of the market, for the operations and cleanliness of the whole area has been set by the government. At no point of time has the Gram Sabha or the people of Kausalya been taken into conflict. We have nothing against this. We want the people of Kausalya to be part and parcel of what is happening in that market complex. We have to know. There are many, the contract first of all of garbage itself is unknown to the people of Kausalya. So we don't know what are their duties, what are our rights. They were talking about segregation, which is very good. We have to segregate at source and we agree to that. But now the question is, where is it dumped? Finally, if you're going to take all the segregated, put it together and put it in a dump, which is a place in the communal land and on the plateau in Kausalya, we are saying, have you got permissions for that? You don't have permissions. It's not a legalized contract. So all these problems that we are talking about in garbage are related to what the Panchayat has created with the contractor, which is not transparent.
इशू खूब आशिल्ले, लोकांचे प्रपोजल आशिल्ले आनी गेल्ले केपेक थोडे इश्यूज घेतिल्ले इन द मिनिट्स तेंचेरूय डिस्कशन जालें गार्बेजीचेर. मागीर हे फुडें वर्क्स चलताय, रस्त्यांचेर खणटाय आनीक तशेंच सोडटाय, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी केबल घालताय म्हूण आनी लोकांक त्रास जाताय तेजेर चर्चा जाली. एक मोबायल टावराक लागून तेजेरूय चर्चा जाली आनी तशेंच बायोडायवर्सिटीचें एक प्रेजेंटेशन जालें आनी तेजेर आमी विचार केलो आनी आमी सांगलें की तेजेर एक स्पेशल मिटींग घेवची, कित्याक आयचे ग्रामसभेक इतले इश्यू आसाय म्हणून ती कंप्लीट जावची ना. आनी तशेंच लोकांचे प्रपोजलांचे बद्दल एक आयडीसीचो, जे आयडीसी आमकां रिमीट करना कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स फीज आणि ट्रेड टॅक्स आणि हाऊस टॅक्स, which they have withdrawn the powers of the panchayat from their jurisdiction. So they are supposed to remit. Last 4 years they have not remitted to us and they are putting the panchayat to great hardship. And the same way is some issues of Dilip Bilkon with regards to their works, where the hill cutting is being taken place. They have blocked our road, they have dug our road to go to the crematorium. Our Hindu brothers are not able to cremate dead bodies because the road has been dug and there is last 6 months there is no access to go there. And also with regards to the drainage system which has been severely affected. So all these issues were today debated very strongly and these resolutions have been adopted and the Sarpanch has said that she would take initiative to write to all these authorities with regards to all these issues. See, today's meeting, I would say, was a very good Gram Sabha meeting where members very sensibly debated and presented their views on various issues. And because I see sometimes in certain Gram Sabhas, there is a lot of discussion, but and that too not peacefully. In comparison, I think Kortaling Gram Sabha always is attended well, and also debates are well taking place, so that people really debate and adopt resolutions.
Issues that were discussed are very specific to the panchayat, and I don't come into the picture really, so I will not comment on anything else.
There were one more hot discussion on the one issue regarding on the roads, digging of road, cabling of road.
That is correct. That was a very important issue, that the roads are being dug for underground cabling, and they are not reinstated. Now what is happening, I don't know, but I think what I need to do as the MLA, I will ensure that representatives of the department, that is power department, come on site, and we'll discuss with them how the roads are to be reinstated and when are the roads to be instated. Are they to be reinstated in patches as you complete laying down the cable, or are they supposed to be reinstated after the entire work is done? Because in some places, as one villager said, that it appeared to be in level, and then when the bike passed, it went down. Now these things can be risky, especially to the two-wheelers, and therefore I'm going to call upon the Honorable Minister for Power and request him to send some engineers who are handling the project to throw some light on all the queries that the villagers have. Be amassed in every village because there are issues pertaining to the villagers, and the villagers want information, and this information is always obtained through the Gram Sabha. Very definite issues were discussed here. One was the market complex and the market policy, and as the panchayat body has informed, the Sarpanch has stated very definitely that there is a market policy framed by the government. It was also kept in the public domain for the information of the public, and now as per the policy, the shops are being auctioned. There are definite committees also, to decide every aspect of the auctioning process as well. Now, the Gram Sabha has asked for a separate or special Gram Sabha on this market complex with reference to the market policy, and I think the panchayat body has agreed. Very soon they'll be fixing a date, and the villagers will be informed. Similarly, I think there was an issue with respect to the towers. Yes, the towers. Now what is happening? There is such a contradiction happening at the moment. We need the towers because we need connectivity, because ever since the pandemic, children are studying online, and if they have to study online, then towers are needed, because without connectivity the children cannot go ahead with their lessons. Okay. At the same time, there is still apprehension in the minds of the public that these towers can induce all kinds of health problems. So therefore, I think what I will try is to get an expert in the field, if possible, to talk when the next Gram Sabha happens. I will try and get an expert to talk on the field on this topic, and clarify our minds and throw some light on the issues that are making people so restless and nervous about the towers.